Now see back to the question of Thevenin theorem from your paper January 2023. First we have calculated the voltage VTH. Then in that case we need to calculate RTH. Now just imagine that you are standing at A and you need towards B. All these resistances are your friends and the friend which are in the same path. That means they are connected in series, and the friend which is in the different path, that means they are connected in parallel. Okay, so in this case, as you can see that if you're moving, resistors are connected in different path, but it is further connected with 10 ohm, so we can't solve it simply by the series and parallel connection, right? So now as you can see, it is like a delta shape. Yes or no? So can we convert this into the star? It will look like this. Yes or no? So if I convert it from delta to star, then we'll use that formulas accordingly. That's what I told you. Delta to star. R is connected between R1 and R2. So back to this value is connected. All the resistance are 10 ohm. So all the values of star would be same only. That would be 10 into 10 divided by 10 plus 10 plus 10. Yes or no? So that would be 100 divided by 30, 10 by 3. All the values are 10 by 3. Now if I'll redraw the diagram, the diagram would look like this. Correct? This 10 ohm and just converted star, right? So all these values are 10, 10 by. So now as you can easily judge it, this 10 by 3 and 10 are connected in same path. That means they are connected in series. Similarly, the bottom one also they are connected in series, right? And then both they are connected in parallel, correct? 10 by 3 plus 10 parallel with the 10 by 3 plus 10, correct? Then after that, this 10 by 3 is connected in series. That would be plus 10 by 3. So this is the value of RTH. We'll be able to get it. Okay. Now in the last and the final theorem, I is equal to H divided by RTH plus RL, right? What was the question? This was the question, right? I is equal to VTH. Have calculated the above case like this one, right? You are standing at A, you need towards B, A to always take the second sign. That would minus 10I1, right? Then minus 10I2 plus 100 is equal to VAB. That is equal to VTH, right? For calculation of I1 and I2, we need to solve these two and that you can solve it. You can substitute it, then you will get VTH, correct? Then RTH we already solved it. RL is mentioned in the question, that is 10 ohm. After substituting all the values, can we get the value for the current?